Hello, everyone. Today is October 19th, 2023. This is the Kubernetes storage SIG meeting. So we are going to go over 1.29 planning spreadsheet. So today is the deadline for doc placeholder PR submission. So if you have a feature that you're targeting, make sure that you have a doc PR submitted today, placeholder PR. And the code freeze is actually coming in end of this month. Let's go over the spreadsheet. So the first one is recovering from resize failure. Is Haman here? A column. So okay, looks like Haman is not here. Okay, so the next provision volumes from cross namespace snapshot PVC. This is a design. I think Michelle cannot join today, so I'm not sure if anyone else has update on this item. I believe last I heard is that the Takafumi, I believe, is the one working on this, and he is interested in helping with the reference grant work, but I'm not sure what is the status for that. And then the next one is Warning House adding metrics. I think there is not much update here still. So no update. Next one is the change block tracking. So Ben, do you want to talk about this?
About the change block tracking?
Right.
The only change we have since the last one of these meetings was we spent the last two data protection working group meetings going into detail on the remaining concerns on the CSI spec, and it's mostly James's feedback, and we haven't had James respond again. So I guess the status is waiting for CSI spec to merge, and the KEP review is not blocked by that, but it also has no progress.
Okay. KEP. Let's reviews. Okay. Thank you. Oh, I see Haman is actually on the call. Are there any status update for recovering from resize failure?
Not in this release, but we are discussing with Tim and Michelle the other day, and we were discussing if there should be a way for for operation to stop itself. Like currently, if the resizing fails for some reason, it's retried basically like forever. Obviously with exponential backup, but it does get retried forever. So we were discussing if there should be some error that should be considered terminal, and it should cause the resize controller to stop. And I think similar thing affects the modify volume spec as well. So it's not yet, like we have not decided yet. Then the other thing was like using conditions for the for the various states in which resizing is. So Tim had some comments about that. So we're considering that. So like the discussions are not final yet, but if they do result in changing the API, then we might have to do something for recovery. Like we had to change the API again in 120, 130, 130, I think. So yeah, that's the status right now.
Okay, thank you. This is related to ordinary attributes. Okay, the next one is a new rewrite once pod access mode. Is Chris here? So I believe last time I checked, I see all the PRs out, I think. So there's a PR for changing the feature gate, and then there is a PR for documentation. There's also a PR for the blog. So I believe all the PRs are out for review, including code, blog, all there, I think. And next one, enable privileged containers for Windows to replace CSI proxy. Is the menu on the call?
Hi, yeah.
Hi.
So as of now, no update on this.
Okay. Thank you. Next one is a node expand secret. Let's see. Okay, Humble is not on the call. So I think the status is that this sorry, move to here. I think Humble has submitted code for the feature gate, and also there is a doc placeholder PR. So code and doc PR submitted. And I asked him to submit one for the blog, and he said he's going to do that as well. So I'm not sure if that one's submitted yet. So blog PRs may be pending. So this offer tracking. Now the next thing is the voting attribute class is a Sunny. Okay, Sunny is probably. Okay, so I think Sunny is probably also in that meeting with Michelle on this voting attribute class API discussion. So it's not here. Yeah, just as Hemang said, there were some discussions on the API changes. So they're right now still going through this discussion to see what should be changed. So it's API discussion. And then there are several PRs out, but I think those are also pending the API discussion. There may be additional changes needed as a result of the API change. So PRs. Accordingly, after API changes. And another thing is, the other thing is we do have the CSI spec. That one, CSI spec release is out. It's out. 1.9, right? Thanks, that. So that has the voting attribute class change. So right now, basically, want to finalize the API change, and then we can continue. Hopefully, we can get this one in. Is we have until the end of the month for the code freeze. Next one is the PV last phase transition time. Okay, Yang's not here. Hemang, do you know the status for this PV last transition time?
No, actually, I do not.
So last time I checked a few days ago, I believe so there is a code, there's PRs for code, and doc are all submitted. So I believe that's the last one. And this
Yeah, I
one,
see that.
yeah,
I see that the PR. Yeah, the PR for moving it to beta is submitted, so we should be in good shape.
okay. Thanks for checking. And then so there is a blog, but that's like the alpha blog that's still not published yet. It's delayed. So I believe published date is October 23rd. So Roman basically says it probably doesn't make sense to have another blog since this one, the alpha one has not been published yet. It's going to be similar. So yeah, so that's this. The next one is storage capacity scoring. So I don't know if anyone knows any update. Michelle is the one who has been reviewing the design. So I don't know what is the update. Okay. Update. If anyone knows, please chime in. One expansion for stateful sets. So this is the one we co-own with SIG apps. Hemant, do you know, are there any update?
No, I pinged the author
Mhm.
and yeah, I haven't heard anything back. So yeah.
Okay. So we don't know if he's still interested in continue. He has not been responding, sounds like.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, the problem is that it's a very often requested feature. It comes on Twitter and other conversation, but it requires a really long-term
Yeah,
perspective to implement it. And most people, yeah, it's kind of challenging to have like a year or so worth of commitment.
yeah, definitely challenging. Yeah. Okay, let's see.
So if you're, so if anybody in this call has like wants to commit to multi release, it's an exciting feature. It has a lot of user need, but
Mhm.
it requires like more than one release. Frankly, like 3,
Yeah,
4 releases to get anything done in this one.
yeah, definitely. Yeah, definitely. It's a very interesting feature that definitely this is frequently asked for, right? Without this feature, people I think just come up with their own customized way of doing things.
Yeah.
Be good to have the official Kubernetes way.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks for the update. Okay, so this one now goes for no shutdown test. Yes, so this is just to keep track. This test, I think, the still it still have some test failures. Last time I see it looks like still, yeah, test PR still it's addressing comments, and then but I do still see some test failures. So I'll pin Ashutosh and see what's going on with this. And next one is, oh, this is the disable the 6-minute force detach timer. Ben, did you get a chance to check this? What's the status of the PR, you know?
I did check it, and I thought that there were two patches, and one of them merged, and one of them hasn't, and the one that merged is being backported. That was as of the last time I checked.
Oh, can we backport PR that changes the flag? I thought there's a
No. The one. So sorry that there were two bugs actually. There was the bug about the handling of when the CSI driver is temporarily like deregistered, we would have a permanent failure on like an unstage. Like
okay, bug fix.
that bug fix was merged, and that's being backported. The
Okay.
new flag, last I checked, had not merged yet, but I'm gonna look
Okay.
again right now.
Okay. All right, thank you. Hey, if you can help put the PR here, it'll be great. In this,
I don't think I have edit access, but if you can give me edit access, I'm happy to put it there.
you can just suggesting. I think it should be fine, right? Or you can maybe just give to me on.
Yeah,
Slack.
if I have comment access, that would work too.
I believe you should. Everybody should be able to comment, or you can just maybe just give that to me on Slack. That's fine as well. I can add it here. Thanks. Okay, next one, cozy bucket quota. So this one is still in design. There were some discussions in the cozy stand-up meetings. So Blaine, I think he updated it. So well, initially we thought this might be a more generic thing, but now it sounds like it's more specific for cozy. So I haven't got a chance to look at his updated cap yet, but I'll take a look. Design. And okay, the last one is see the sidecar moving all to the same repo. Do we have a Mauricio?
I think Mauricio left a comment there
Oh,
on the right-hand side under the previous update.
oh, here, okay. Yeah, this is not very obvious. Okay, update. Okay, split the work into work streams. Currently working on analyzing the CSS sidecar command entry points. Take common code out. Oh, okay.
It sounds like he's still working on it.
Okay, yeah, thank you. So we add this one here. Okay, does that work? Oh no, weird. Oh, can you see this? Or is it, why is this dark? Okay, I don't know, somehow, okay, I'll figure out this later. I don't know why this one, if you look at the text, it's here, but I don't know why this one colors like this. It's very strange. All right, I'll fix that. But that's his comment. Basically, it's working on it. Okay. Yeah, this is a lot of work actually. All right, so that's what we have for the spreadsheet update. I don't see any other items. So are there anything else folks want to discuss in this meeting? If not, then you will have more than half an hour back. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.